Echo, here we are. We're going to get started, okay? All right, tell everyone your name. What's your name? Can you say hel? Hel. How about hi? And of course, in Spanish, say hola. And que pasa? This looks like a fantastic audience. Give them a whistle. And a whistle. Yeah, good job. Echo, we are here competing for $1 million. If you had $1 million, what would you want? You'd want a cracker? If you didn't get a cracker, would you cry? And cry? Well, it was a whole bunch of crying. Now we got to think of something happy. Ooh, let's do a holiday song, all right? All right, let's do Jingle. That was beautiful, but we were singing Jingle Bells in July. Do you find that funny? Funny. Oh, Echo, well, it certainly wouldn't be a show unless we sang your favorite song. So we're going to do Over the Rainbow, okay? Okay? Okay, let's do some warm-up. La, 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 do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. You little stinker. Now, Echo, where do bluebirds fly? That was beautiful. You were fantastic. Oh, good job. Echo, why don't you give everybody one big kiss? Big kiss? Big kiss? Pinky, there? There you go. And what do you say? Bye-bye. 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 Very good, honey.